That's the basic understanding that people are getting now since the
No,
Commonwealth
because they have
Games.
seen it also, no. Okay, they've seen the past performances, no. Okay, it is not that first time. They've seen it. But one nice thing, I mean, no, reading through the paper, I mean, Zil, our sports minister, Union sports minister.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, he came out nicely. Okay, curtailing tenures. I mean, if you go to see, if you read it,
National
okay,
Sports
National
Federation.
Sports Federation. I mean, the tenures have been ranging from 10 years to 30 years and all.
Yes.
Okay.
So perhaps this
They
is
think,
time.
maybe they think that it is a position. I mean, I mean, it's just another platform for them.
For
Okay.
the status and for all the
All
other
the
ulterior
other-
motives like
ulterior
money
motives.
and maybe the votes. Anyways,
Yeah.
but it seems that it's high time that India needs a change. If it has to develop some sort of sporting culture, the politicians have to go, isn't it?
Not only politicians have to go, okay, basically, see, we have to, I mean, the central government and the state governments have to come out with more, I mean, sports policy. Okay, like take a simple example. In India now, companies, okay, you're not allowed to, you got it, you're allowed to sponsor, okay. Sponsor in the sense, you take it as part of your advertisement and all that, okay. If tomorrow companies are allowed, even 1% of their turnover as expenditure, to be taken as expenditure,
Yeah.
okay, I think sports will get a big boost.
Right. Now, when we say sports will get a big boost, infrastructure is one of the key aspects. Now, in India, we do not have, even what you will say, satisfactory level of infrastructure. The footballers are really suffering. Now, do we really lack in corporates or the people from private sector who are willing to, come and boost the sport, or is it only that because the government is not keen that the private players are not coming up and setting up the sports infrastructure?
See, I mean, it has to be both ways around, okay? Like corporates, government, and I mean, all the stakeholders in sports, they should all, I mean, get together, okay? What we require is, I mean, a brainstorming session, okay, to decide, okay, what do we, I mean, want to achieve. First, we have to set targets, okay, what we want to achieve, where we are lacking, whether it is in infrastructure or whether it is in, I mean, policies. So unless we do that, okay, and also, I mean, a lot of encouragement should be given to corporates to enter sports, which I don't think is happening. Like basically, see, when this academy was supposed to come to Goa,
Yeah.
okay, I mean, Goa was shortlisted, okay, Bharti,
Bharti Airtel. Right.
to my knowledge, I mean, there was not a single correspondent meant to Goa Football Association. I'm not aware. Once, twice I checked also, like, not a single. But newspapers were carrying it, this, that, everybody was carrying it. Okay, Federation to Goa, it was going, but nothing. I don't think any mention was made.
Right.
Now, then there was opposition from locals, okay, then a lot of this and all. It was this department lent to that department, that and all. But basically, my point is what, okay, all these things, since we are custodians of football in Goa, okay, it should have come through GFA, okay. Ask GFA, okay, which is the side, okay, give, whatever. Or this side is there, just, I mean, go forward. Does it happen in other states? It doesn't happen, no. So we missed that now. Now, I don't know where Bharti has gone. Then there is no sign only. Whether they have gone to Haryana or Tamil Nadu, I don't know. West Bengal. I don't know. But there is no sign only. So now it looks like to me that Bharti went is certain with this, na.
Surely.
Okay, whatever idea, see what happened. Maybe they had that idea in that financial year. Okay, it was not a long term that they have to do something academic. Okay, or they must have been change of guard at a lower level, and I mean they were lost interest in this.
Basically, we Indians are not following the proper procedures. We are not following the proper channels and executing the project.
No, we have to professionalize. Okay, today.
We lack professionalism.
Yeah, we lack professionalism.
That's a very valid point.
Very
And now, finally, we go to how the football should be run in the club level, like it's run in the other countries. Basically, when do you think we can, even think of running football as a viable business model?
See, in Goa, okay, basically, or in India, I think whichever clubs are there, we are around, say around 20 clubs. Out of 20, I think at least 10 or 12 clubs have shown the willingness, okay, to go in for their own stadiums, own this and all. Now, only, we require little help from government, okay. Finally, it is not that we are doing it to, we get something out of football or it is self-financing. Nothing of that sort. So we have to create infrastructure. At least, I mean, there was a proposal. We had moted a proposal. At least some land allocation, some basic land allocation is done. Okay. And then government could monitor. The land would be allocated with certain criteria. Okay, okay. You have to fulfill this. You have to fulfill that. And then I mean, they could also set out conditions. Okay, and monitor it. They could have. I mean, SSG could monitor, be the monitoring department. Give land. Give time to these clubs. Okay, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So instead of government investing, okay, whenever say national games are there, or whenever presume I mean any sporting event is there and all, the government will always use these stadiums also. As I mean, government participated with land. What I mean to say,
Yeah.
and then let the private parties build. It will help everyone. No? You have to think on those broader lines. There was a proposal. I don't know what has happened after that.
So all clubs having their own stadium, that would be the start of running a club in a
Yeah,
business model, right?
business model in the sense, see, then you can concentrate on various activities. You know, see today, okay, we all of us have got teams. Okay,
Yeah.
there is no club culture like in India, like the club culture abroad.
Okay. When do we start
We are
that?
only having teams. Okay, club culture is what, like people have to come to you for different days. You have to be in, I mean, maybe in tennis, football. Okay, it should be everything together. Okay. It's a platform, I mean, it's a place where everyone united. It's a community which gets united,
Yes.
okay. The entire community feels, okay, we are part of the club and all that. It is not that, I mean, you got it. You will start getting fan following, you start getting, I mean, you have different activities. It's not only football, okay. Football will be one of the major activities, whatever.
Yeah.
So for that, I mean, you have to have your own infrastructure. A nice model is like, I mean, even CCI, Bombay, okay, like one in Mumbai. Cricket club, okay, that's nice. Like abroad, all the clubs have their own this and I mean they've got streamlined. I mean, director of administration, they have merchandise, finance, everything is led separately. But they are big entities which survive on them.
But can we think about
Of course.
starting club culture in Goa to start with?
Of course, we can always do it. Little bit of government backing, I think. I mean, most of our people, I think, Salgaongas and church depots, we all of us are ready. And let us go forward. Why not?
Right.
I don't think anybody will come back and all.
Surely. Then your merchandise and all the, I think Sporting Club had a wing for merchandise in the past.
We had, I mean, we started, I mean, to be frank, we were the first to go online. Okay, we had that Fleming Orange membership website, and then we started with a small restaurant bar and a sports bar. Okay, and that was a concept which is followed abroad. Okay, with your merchandise being sold at one corner around about. We have started the concept. Okay.
So how did it go and what's its status now?
See, the website is there. It's going on. I mean, our membership that is all on. Okay. Only that this concept, I mean, since it was away in a village, okay, we are trying to, I mean, we have a merchandise section, okay.
Right.
Okay, that is only on orders and somebody, I mean, wants a t-shirt and we have it at the office here. But we have closed that. We want to, I mean, bait and put it up in Panjim. I'm looking up, I'm going to set up a bigger one in Panjim.
Okay.
The city.
So,
Karadali was really becoming a little out of the way. That's why.
Okay. Although your club will now be playing in the second division NFL, you're still keen about keeping this sporting community and sporting merchandise move going, booming.
Yeah, see, I mean, we're down, I mean, next year we'll be there again. We have appealed, I mean, we're planning to appeal also. Okay, we've still not got the communication, I mean, what was the final decision? Okay. We are planning to file the appeal. Pending that, I mean, we'll be participating in second division. Nothing, no harm as well. In the sense, I mean, we know we'll always qualify and all. We have retained all of, I mean, we have kept a huge squad of 45 boys. Okay. With I and all, I mean, we've kept all this. And most of our squad are all youngsters of Goa. Okay, we didn't abandon them, though we were abandoned by the higher ups. We have kept all the boys together. I mean, we know it's their future, their career. We are not looking at short term, okay. That does happen. Even though we are in second division, okay, we have kept 40-45 boys. Because the same squad will go to first division. We have definitely know we are going to qualify. Boys also geared up. All our boys that sporting, they are all geared up. We ask the seniors and them, we will do it and all that. That is the motto.
So qualification at the first attempt.
Yeah,
that's
first
what
attempt.
is the motto.
Yeah.
And you have a new coach. In the sense, he was there with you with your youth team,
yeah.
but full faith in Alex Alvarez?
Yes, of course. I mean, something, when you have a young team, I mean, sometimes, I mean, we have to introspect ourselves. It was 10 or 12 years now, okay. It was also a chance to introspect. You come to know, I mean, what was going wrong and all. See, for me, every time you fail, it is a stepping stone to success. Okay, everybody does mistakes. Okay, but to repeat mistakes is inhuman. So whatever we are failures will turn into, I mean, it is a stepping stone for greater success which will follow.
Yes. And your club has been one club which promotes Goan talents a lot. Now, overall, if you see in India, Indian team lack strikers or lack quality strikers. It's like the same problem which is at the local level for Goa. The striking, there are duos in striking department. For Santosh, the coach had to play some strikers or some what you can say midfielders in striking position. Now, basically, do you think that that debate of fielding foreign strikers more often by all the other clubs in the I League or the other tournament, is it harming the prospect of the local strikers?
I mean, it's 50-50. See, without foreign strikers, okay, and without, see, football is all about scoring goals. Okay, it's not about defending and all that. Okay, the more your goals you score, the more excitement, you attract more people in the stadiums.
Yeah.
Okay, till we strike a balance, okay, till our local strikers come up. How they will come up now? Okay, I mean, in the first place, as I told you, okay, unless they build their stamina and strength, see, they have got skill and speed,
Yeah.
okay, strength unless they and do shooting, the fifth S, okay, shooting and strength, only then they will come up. So we have to build them in that direction, okay. Emphasis should be made in, I mean, grooming up strikers and all. Like in cricket, you have fast bowlers, okay. You have machine, you have batsmen, there is the machine bowls are to, and there is a pace academy and all that. So we have to go in specialization, okay. We could do it and all. Nothing, no harm. But what it requires, I mean, little, I mean, as a striker, you require little physique, okay. That's important.
It's the goal that matter, and whoever comes and scores the most goals is going to start in the 11.
Yes.
And that debate is even going on in England, where foreign strikers are dominating the league and English strikers are lagging behind.
See, what is the use you play? I mean, good football for 90 minutes, good position, attractive short passing, long balls, all this and all. What will it help you? Ultimately, I mean, the team which scores wins. No?
Okay, Peter, that was nice talking to you. Now, just before we wind up, you'll be heading for the elections in the next month. On October 24th, the elections will be done. Is there any promise that you would like to make to Goan football clubs or Goan football fans now that you are going to contest this election, if you win?
The first, I request all of them, I mean, since they have put me forward to be with me, okay. And next time, all of us will jointly, okay, share ideas and take football forward. Okay, it will be only with, I mean, whatever that comes out, whatever administrative decision will be only what the clubs want. Okay, I'm totally for the clubs.
Okay.
Their will rule. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Peter, for being on the show. It was a pleasure chatting to you.
Thank you.